I probably have the most aggressive tune on a Hellcat. I shift at 7,300. The trigger.
We have a special guest on the channel, guys. Today
Not so special.
We have an up-and-coming YouTuber. He's making quite a bit of noise right now. We have Motortube.
What's going on, guys?
So can you tell us a little bit about what you drive?
I drive a 2017 Challenger Hellcat. It's green go, so it's that bright color that Dodge makes. It's modded, it's not stock. I don't like to give out numbers, but it's making over 800 to the wheel.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And it's on race fuel right now, so it's gonna be on 85 pretty soon. And yeah, the thing is pretty fast. I probably have the most aggressive tune on a Hellcat. I shift at 7,300 RPMs. I don't know if anybody out there does that, and if you do, let's race. Just kidding. But yeah, that's it. I love the car. It's an amazing car, and Dodge, that's Dodge, best car Dodge makes. It's faster than Demon too.
Can you tell me a little bit about the spec that you have? So you have the carbon stripes.
So I have the carbon fiber stripes. I have red seat belts, black interior because red interior would look kind of funny with green. So yeah, the carbon fiber stripes, I wanted them. I didn't want the sunroof because it looks weird with the carbon fiber stripes. And when I had the sunroof on my 392, I never used it. So it's tinted out 5% around, 20% on the front. It's sitting on 17s and 305 Mickeys, race stars. The wheels are race stars. So yeah.
What has your car history been like?
Well, I had an RT when I was 16. It was a 2014 Charger RT, all-wheel drive, because in Michigan it snows and you need something all-wheel drive. So I had that for about a year, and then I ordered a Challenger Scat Pack shaker when I was like 17, and then I took delivery of it when I was 18. It took like 4 months, and a weird story about it is I'll have him put the picture up, but my wheels were stolen before I took delivery of him. So it was in the back lot. I was supposed to pick it up the next day. I didn't. I was like, I'll just pick it up in a few days. And literally the next day, my wheels were stolen and left on bricks. So that took like a whole nother month for Dodge to send out the wheels, and they had to change the panels or whatever. So I got that, and then when I turned 19, I got my Hellcat, and green is not my favorite color just because my Hellcat's green. So that's pretty much it, and I'm working towards a McLaren 570S. That should be next, and that's, you know, I'm going from Mopar all the way to some exotic cars. That's
Some street speed type of move.
Yeah, I mean, he had a Hellcat, so I followed up with that. I haven't got a Corvette because I don't really care for Corvettes, but I'm gonna jump the Corvette and get the McLaren.
I like that. Okay. Why the Hellcat?
Well, I got the Challenger because that was really fast at my age. That was like, wow, that thing was, you know, the Scat Pack was really fast. But then it's like, you do all your cosmetics, and then it's like, all right, then what is there to do? There's not much you could do, you know. The car can only handle so much, and I wanted to build the whole car. Well, to build a Scat Pack is gonna cost you at least 15 grand because you got to rebuild the, you know, the engine and everything. So I didn't want to do that. So I was like, I'll just get a Hellcat, and then I can mod it and then just have a cool build without really going too crazy with it. And that's kind of what I did. The Hellcat it's an easy car to build. You know, with 10 grand, you can get it like 8, 9 to the wheels, which is more than enough for me. So that's why I kind of went out and got the Hellcat.
Pretty sure a lot of people are curious. You know, young guy, he has a very nice car, a Hellcat. The question is going to come up in the comments, and let's just get right to it. What do you do at work in order to afford a Hellcat at 20 years old?
Yeah, I invest in stocks, so I just started doing Forex. Like, I have a bunch of mentors that, you know, mentor me and push me to do Forex. I used to do, Forex is basically like currency. So you're trading currency, and I used to do stocks. I used to do medical stocks before anything. And I just hustled, just did whatever made me money, I did it. Honestly, that's the best way to do it, you know. Don't rely on one source of income, because, you know, the wealthy people got 7 sources of income. So I'm working my way there, but never rely on one source of income. I always had a bunch of other hustles. So that's pretty much it. So, you know, that's all I do.
Growing up, what was your dream car?
I used to, for some reason, it's weird how this turned out. I liked Mustangs for some reason. Those old school Mustangs, you know, I don't know what body they're. So I don't know too much about Mustangs, but I used to think Mustangs were the fastest. Well, we know that's not true, but, you know, that's what I used to like Mustangs. I always liked the Lamborghinis, and I always want you know, a Rolls-Royce Wraith. That's one of my dream cars, you know. So that's always been my dream car, but I liked Mustangs when I was a kid. Not anymore. Just kidding.
So if you were to get rid of the Hellcat today, what would be the next on the list?
ZL1 1LE. Just because it might not make as crazy power as my Hellcat does, but it's a crazy quality car. That was a car that I wanted to get. Like, when I got my Hellcat, I wanted to get that after the Hellcat. I mean, the ZL1s are, with the 10-speed, can't beat them.
What has been your favorite part about doing having a YouTube channel? And what has been the worst about having a YouTube channel? Can you answer those questions?
Yeah, okay, so I did everything that's on my YouTube channel, I did it before YouTube. So it's not like I'm doing it for YouTube. Like, I've already been doing this, and I've already did the racing, the going out. That was my life. I love cars, and I don't just love Mopars. I love every single type of car, just because I respect every car is special, you know? Even the Mustang, you gotta show them some love, you know. Even though some Mopars don't like Mustangs, there's something cool about the Mustang. There's something cool about the, you know, the Camaros. So, like, I respect every single type of car, and the reason why I love YouTube is I can show that to other people, and it made me even more comfortable with myself. So, like, I used to hate the camera. Now I don't mind being in front of the camera. It gives you confidence. I mean, there's a lot of things that it offers, you know. One thing I hate is a lot of people are, man, they're so disrespectful. I mean, man, you guys, they're so disrespectful, and the hate comments are ridiculous. But those people, you'll never come across them, and most likely they will never show the same energy in person. So I don't mind it, but you gotta have tough skin for it, because if you don't have tough skin, man, those people can make you quit YouTube. Because, man, they'll cuss your mom out. They'll go at your family. Man, you never know. These people have no chill online, because anybody can be behind the screen saying anything. So, but the good definitely outweighs the bad, really. Like I don't even care about the little hate stuff. That's nothing to me. But meeting people, I mean, I just met him. I met a bunch of subscribers, you know, had the chance to film with them. So meeting new people is the best thing. And even though in the car community you can meet people, but when you're on YouTube, you can meet people in other states. So you have a different reach, and I love meeting new people and talking to them. So that's really my favorite thing.
Accomplish 2018. What are you trying to accomplish?
100K subscribers. That's the only goal. I'm pushing and trying to grow my YouTube channel. That's number one. You know, I love making videos, and I want to take it to the next level. So 100K, and then from there, 1 million. Sky's the limit. You know what I'm saying? I don't really, you know, there's no stopping. So we're getting to the top.
Okay, very nice. And is there anything you would like to tell anybody out there that's thinking about getting a Hellcat? What would you tell them?
First, before anything, make sure you go subscribe to my channel. No, but if you want to get a Hellcat, I mean, that's probably the best car you could get if you want to mod and go crazy fast with it. And it doesn't cost a lot of money, where if you let's say you want to get a Mustang, it's $7,500 just for the Whipple, because that's the route people take. Unless you have crazy money where you want to twin turbo it, but people take the Whipple. That's $7,500 without installation. So for that, you can make your Hellcat really, really fast, and you're already starting out with more power than a 5.0. And it's such an easy car to build. It's not complicated, you know. Not much stuff. I mean, stuff can go wrong, but not like any other car, you know. And the 8-speed, if you have to get the auto, don't get the manual. The 8-speed, it's like clockwork. You have to get the 8-speed in. Yeah, go over to my channel. I'll talk to you about it.
Yeah, shameless plug right there.
Yeah, look at that.
Well, I wanted to thank you for coming on today. It was definitely a fun little time we had here. And guys, make sure you check him out, Motortube on YouTube. He has some very, very cool videos. And you know, hopefully we'll see you hit that 100K that you're trying to hit.
Yes, sir.
And best of luck to you, man. Enjoy your time in Cali.
Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.